Alright guys, so I've been filming content on my phone for about 3 years now. And honestly, the biggest thing that's changed my videos wasn't a new phone. Wasn't a ring light, wasn't even the editing. It was this. Something so small, I actually forgot I was wearing it. This is the DJI Mic Mini, mobile version. And today on MHD Tech, I'm gonna show you exactly what this tiny thing can do, unboxing, setup, real world audio tests, everything else in between. Let's go.
Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings.
All right, so we got a clean setup. Let's do this unboxing properly. So we got 2 boxes today because I want to give you guys a proper look at what DJI has going on across their mic lineups. But we're gonna start with the star of today's video. That's gonna be the DJI Mic Mini, the 2TX plus 1 mobile RX combo. Inside the box, we're gonna get 2 DJI Mic Mini transmitters, the actual mics that clip to your body, the mobile DJI Mic series receiver, and of course, the tiny dongle. So let's get into this. So, the DJI Mic series mobile receiver. Again, this is the tiny right here. Everything on here is 2 wide screens, has this nice outdoor gray look. Make sure it's smooth and protected when you go outside. It has the small transmitter cable and a compact carrying pouch that fits perfectly in your pocket. So, with everything in a pouch that fits in your jacket pocket, that's literally the whole setup. You just pick it up and you're ready to go.
Hey guys, I was going to show you some wearing methods of this mic. You see, you don't really it's not just about putting it on you. You can also put it in places. Watch this. So I'm gonna put this mic right here. And because I'm driving, all right, I'm gonna put the noise cancellation on. Noise cancellation on, remember? You click here, and then the light turns yellow, as you can see. So let's put the mic here, all right? It's not gonna fall. You see where the mic is right now? Amazing, amazing, amazing. But still, because the noise cancellation is on.
Okay, here's the setup. And I want you to pay attention because this is genuinely one of the things that separates this mic from everything else in this price range. This little dongle, the DJI Mic Series receiver, plugs directly into your phone's USB-C port. No Bluetooth pairing screen. No app required just to start. No hunting through settings. You just plug it in. Done. Your phone immediately recognizes it as an audio input. That's plug and play. And with this receiver, you're not getting regular wireless mic quality audio. Most wireless mics connect via Bluetooth and max out at 16 kilohertz sound. That's fine. But the moment you plug in this receiver, you're recording at 48 kilohertz 24-bit. That's the same quality as professional studio recording, going straight into your phone. Now let's pair it. Press and hold the linking button on the receiver until the indicator flashes green. Then press and hold the same button on the transmitter. When both lights turn solid green, you're live. That's it. And here's the thing. This receiver connects to 2 transmitters at once. So if you're interviewing someone, filming with a co-host, or doing a 2-person vlog, both of you are mic'd up, both going into one phone simultaneously. And if you already own a DJI Mic 2 or Mic 3, your existing transmitter also connects to this receiver. To do that, double-click the linking button on the receiver, then press and hold to re-enter pairing mode. The light flashes blue for cross-model pairing. Once it's paired, the light turns solid blue. The whole DJI Mic ecosystem works together. That's actually a big deal if you're already invested in DJI gear. One more audio feature I have to show you. and this one has personally saved me footage I would have otherwise had to throw away. Audio clipping. You know what I'm talking about, when a sound is too loud and it just distorts, crackles, and ruins your recording completely. Once that happens, there's nothing you can do in editing, it's gone. The DJI Mic Mini has automatic limiting built in, it monitors your audio in real time, and the moment something is about to get too loud, a laugh, a shout, a sudden noise, it pulls the levels back automatically before it ever clips.
So right now, I don't have the mic on noise cancellation, all right? I'm about to do a noise cancellation test, and I think we're gonna see something pretty cool today, all right? So to do a noise cancellation, what you have to do is first, you're gonna press once the power button, and when you press the power button, there's this light right here. It's going to turn orange or yellow, and when that happens, it means noise cancellation is on. So we're going to toggle it on and off, but as you can see presently, it's not on. All right, so I'm going to put it on so you can hear a lot of stuff, noise around, but let's turn it on. All right, boom, right there you see. So it's on. And there you go. There is something cool I want to show you guys. Distance. All right, distance. How far can this mic pick sound? So on this pole, as you can see, on this pole, I'm about to put the DJI camera on it. Voila, all right? And I'm going to walk that way, so you're gonna see how far this sound can still pick as clearer as possible, even with my back. You can still hear me, all right? If we're gonna say we're gonna do something about news today. Hi everybody, welcome to Inoility Media Productions.
Watch the waveform. I'm going to clap, clap, and you can see it clips. That audio is ruined. Now auto limiting is on. Same clap or clap. And the waveform stays controlled. Nothing clips. That recording is completely usable. This is on by default when you use the receiver, and you can toggle it in the DJI Mimo app. If you're at a loud event, a concert, a birthday, leave this on, always. What happens when your phone battery hits 5% mid-shoot? Most wireless mics die with it. Watch what the Mic Mini does instead. Let's talk battery, because the last thing you want mid-vlog is your mic dying. The DJI Mic Mini transmitter lasts 11.5 hours on a single charge. Even a long full shooting day, 6, 7, maybe 8 hours of actual recording. This transmitter will still have battery left when you wrap. You will not charge it every day. You will probably charge it every 2 to 3 days depending on how much you shoot. Now here's where the setups gets clever, and this is something I genuinely hadn't seen done this cleanly in another wireless mic at this size. The mobile receiver draws its power directly from your phone through the USB-C port, so it's not a separate battery to track. But what about your phone's battery? What if you're shooting for hours and your phone hits low battery? There's a dedicated charging port on the receiver itself. Plug a power bank into it, and it charges the receiver and your phone at the exact same time. So you can record for as long as you want, your phone stays topped up, and the mic keeps running. No interruptions, no dead battery mid-shoot. For anyone doing mobile live streams, this is massive. You can go live for hours without worrying about anything dying. Okay, enough talking at a desk. Let me show you what this sounds like out in the real world.
I want you to consider this, all this you see around me, the buildings, the towers, and the cars, and everything, even the people, even me, even you. We are just a bundle of thoughts. So this is pretty cool, you know. The wind is hella windy, but I'm currently on the wind cancellation, on the noise cancellation, so it's making everything even sound crisp and nice on this beautiful. Come on, Pom Pom. Give me one that. Give me one that, Pom Pom. Give me one that.
What if I told you this mic completely removes the need for a mobile receiver when you're filming on a DJI camera? No dongle, no extra step, just ECT connection, and better audio than Bluetooth can ever give you. If you're shooting on a DJI camera, and millions of creators are, this is where the Mic Mini does something no regular wireless mic can do. DJI built something called Osmo Audio. It's a direct connection protocol built into select DJI cameras. And when you connect the Mic Mini transmitter directly to those cameras through Osmo Audio, you skip the mobile receiver entirely. The transmitter pairs directly to the camera, and you get 48 kilohertz audio, the same premium quality, controlled right from the camera's menu. Start recording, stop recording, monitor your audio levels, all from the camera itself. Fewer devices, cleaner workflow. It works with the Osmo 360, Osmo Nano, Osmo Action 5 Pro, Osmo Action 4, and Osmo Pocket 3. You can connect one transmitter to the Action 4 and up to 2 transmitters to the 360, Pocket 3, and Action 5 Pro. So 2 people, both mic'd up, going directly into your DJI camera with 0 extra hardware. And the battery when using this ECT connection, around 7 to 8 hours, more than enough for a full shoot. DJI has also confirmed more compatible products are coming, so if you're building a DJI setup, this ecosystem is only going to grow. And for full control on mobile, there's the DJI Mimo app. This is where you fine-tune gain, toggle automatic limiting on or off, switch between mono, stereo, and safety track recording modes. And safety track is great, by the way. It records a quieter backup track simultaneously, so if your main audio peaks unexpectedly, you have a safety net that's already there. When both Mic Mini transmitters are connected, you can update both of them at the same time in Mimo. Mixed connection, like one Mic Mini and one Mic 3, you update those separately, still all in the same app. Alright, here's the truth. You can shoot in 4K, you can color grade perfectly, you can have cinematic footage, but the second your audio sounds bad, people leave. Fast. And that's exactly why the DJI Mic Mini matters. This tiny 10-gram mic fixes the biggest problem most creators have: bad sound, in literally seconds. No complicated setup, no bulky gear, no learning curve. You clip it on, connect it, and suddenly your phone audio sounds clean, clear, and professional. It lasts all day on battery, works seamlessly with DJI cameras, and honestly, it makes content creation feel effortless. And that's why I genuinely think the DJI Mic Mini is one of the smartest creator upgrades you can buy right now. Now, quick question I know some of you are asking, what about the DJI Mic 3? So here's the simple breakdown. The DJI Mic Mini, the one we've looked at today, is just $79 for the 2TX plus 1 RX combo. And honestly, for most creators, this is the sweet spot. If you shoot vlogs, reels, travel videos, food content, interviews, live streams, or everyday content on your phone or DJI camera, this gives you the biggest audio upgrade for the least money. It's lightweight, insanely portable, sounds fantastic, and removes all the friction from recording good audio. Now, the DJI Mic 3 sits at $259. That's aimed more at advanced creators and professional productions. People who specifically need things like onboard backup recording, touchscreen controls, and more complex production workflows. But for the majority of creators watching this, the Mic Mini gives you the performance you actually need, at a price that makes way more sense. If you want to check it out, the link's in the description, and tell me in the comments, are you shooting mostly on your phone, or are you running a DJI camera setup? I'm curious what everyone's creating with right now. If this video helped you, subscribe to MHD Tech. We test gear every week so you know what's genuinely worth buying and what's just hype. See you in the next one.